Hello guys.
So in this video, we'll be looking into how to add the Python path to our system variables. So the Python path could be added directly when we were installing the Python. So when we install the Python, we would get this particular path, that is particular page that is appearing on the screen right now. So here in the screen at the bottom, we get something called add Python to our path. So we need to check this. So if we had checked this box when installing the Python path would have been directly added to our system path. So there will be no need to add the path manually. So if the Python path was added directly, we could work with Python and the PIP commands from our command prompt. So if you had not done this, you could add the Python point manually. So before that, let me just show the use of Python, like adding the Python and pip command in our system. So I have that Python path added to my system. So I just open the command prompt. So in my command prompt here, when I type Python, I will get the Python script mode. Sorry, not script mode. It is interactive mode. That is the Python shell opens. So in this, like we could do the general thing that we do in the idles interactive mode. So it is similar to that. Similarly, when I give a PIP, the PIP command would also work. So here I did not go into the location where my Python installation was there. So in command prompt in any location. So currently I am in users Balakrishna. Wherever the location will be, when I type Python or a PIP command, it would work. So how this works is because of the Python path that is being added to my environmental variable. So this was done when I installed the Python. If we did not check this box while installing, we can even we can even add the Python path manually. So to do that, first what we need to do is that we need to copy the paths. So we need to copy two paths for one for the Python and the other for the PIP command. So both we need to first open idle for that. So I just go to idle. So idle opens. In this file open, yes, the open dialog box gets open, and on the top in the address bar I right click and I will copy the address. So and I'll just keep it in my notepad. Just notepad. So the first path is for working with Python in our command prompt, to open the Python shell in my command prompt. And then similarly, the second path we would need to work with the PIP command. To do that, again file open. Into that we need to go into the scripts there. So here you'll be finding something called scripts. You double click on it, right click on the address bar, copy address, then go to the notepad and paste. So we have both the address now. Now what we need to do is that we need to open the system variable. To open the system variables or environmental variables, what we need to do is that we need to type this PC here. In Windows 10 we have the this PC. In Windows 7 we'll get the just computer there. So in this PC, right click on it, click properties. The settings window will open. So in my PC I am getting an option called advanced system settings here on the right side. In some systems you will be getting this advanced system on the left side. So you need to find it and click on it. The system property dialog box will open. So we can even go to the system property in another way. that is we can directly type here environmental or environment variables. You could find here edit the system variables option getting appeared. So click on it, the system property dialog box will appear. So in this under advanced tab we will be having something called environment variables. Click on it. So here we get the option to add the path there. So in below we have something called system variables. So in this we need to find the variable named path. So click on that and click edit there. Okay. Now what you need to do is that you need to click on new and go to our notepad, select the first path, copy it, come back here and paste it. Then again, so click somewhere below it, then again go to the notepad, select the second path, copy it and click on new, then paste it. So we have added both the paths here, and once you have added both the paths, click on OK. And now after this you could just go to your command prompt. If your command prompt is already open, just close it and again open it. And just type Python. And when you type this, you should be entering into Python shell. Even after doing this, if it does not open, then you need to add the similar thing in the user variables. On the top you have called user variables. There you will be finding the option called path. The same process that we need to click on it, click edit and again click new, copy the first path, add it, again click new, copy the second path and add it. So once you've done it, you will be getting the pip and Python working in your command prompt. So hope this helps you. Thank you.